Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'll talk to you about the top 5 reasons why your dishwasher doesn't fill. Now, the number one reason why a dishwasher may not fill could be related to an improperly installed drain hose. As your dishwasher is filling, water could actually be siphoning directly out of the dishwasher and never fill up. So ensure that your drain hose reaches about 18 inches up the side of the dishwasher before it exits into a vented drain. Another reason your dishwasher may not fill could be related to the door latch assembly. The door latch assembly consists of a latch mechanism and a switch. If the switch is defective, your dishwasher won't fill with water. You'll need to check the switch with a multimeter for continuity, and if it's defective, you'll need to replace it. Another common cause for a dishwasher not to fill could be related to the water inlet valve. The water inlet valve is located behind the access panel on the dishwasher, close to the front. Things to check on the water inlet valve would first of all be the inlet screen. Look for signs of any trash that may be restricting the water flow. And secondly would be the operating solenoid for that valve, and you can check that out with a multimeter for continuity. If it's defective, you'll need to replace it. Another reason why your dishwasher may not fill could be related to the float assembly. The float assembly is used to actuate a switch that supplies power to the water inlet valve. If something restricts the movement of that float so that it doesn't go up and down freely, it may not actuate the switch. So check to make sure there is nothing caught underneath of it. And if it doesn't move up and down freely, you may need to remove it, inspect it for signs of any warpage or breakage. If the float shows any signs of wear, you'll need to replace it. And number 5 on our list is the actual float switch. The float switch is usually contained in an assembly. The switch is activated by a lever that is connected to the float. So verify that that lever moves freely, and with the button depressed, you should have continuity through the switch. To check that, use a multimeter and measure between those two terminals for continuity. Need help with anything else around your home? Search our channel for thousands of helpful videos that will walk you through your home repairs. For more information or the parts needed for these repairs, don't forget to check out partselect.ca. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.